Hello everyone, welcome to COSMOMK, world first numbers combination analysis. I'm Chen, founder of COSMOMK. Today we're going to cover 3 Arrows Capital, a highly regarded hedge fund that self-imploded, which caused a contagion across the entire cryptocurrency markets, vaporizing almost $1 trillion in year 2022. Among crypto's smartest observers, it is a widely held view that 3 Arrows is the main responsible for the entire large crypto crash in 2022, as market chaos and forced selling of Bitcoin and other digital assets caused the plunge of more than 70%, erasing more than $1 trillion in value. So who are the direct victims of 3 Arrows crash? Voyager Digital, a public traded crypto exchange based in New York, unfortunately filed for Chapter 11 in July, as they have lent more than $650 million to 3 Arrows. Genesis Global Trading HQ on Park Avenue have also lent $2.3 billion to 3 Arrows. Blockchain.com, an early crypto company that provided digital wallets and involved with a major exchange, have unpaid loans of $270 million. Crypto lender Celsius also reported to have unpaid loans of more than $75 million, just to name a few. Let's study the company name. The first is the short initial 3AC. 3AC is 30103. They'll say yes, the 1331 means highest value, highest wealth, cash flow, which is very true. 3AC, 3 Arrows, was once a reputable hedge fund in the cryptocurrency space, whereby they are highly regarded and trusted with a strong profile to be able to gain strong growth within a short period of time. They even have Twitter personality and celebrity followings and created a public personas of being very strong in trading. But we have to identify and note that this name 3AC were given by social media, third parties, or media public opinion of 3 Arrows. So they have the 3113 with highest value, but do note that there is 301 and 103. There's a 0 involved. Why is the 0? So as you can see, 301, 103 is a very different meaning. It means that 0 means hidden and undiscovered or unknown. It means that in this case of 3 Arrows, 3AC is very true. The 301, 103 have many unknown. Number one, it means that it's locked. His wealth is locked. There are many cases it shows that 3 Arrows is locked. And there are also many cases to show that in the public, people thought that they are trading with their own money. In actual fact, they got many creditors who have loaned them $600 million, $1 billion of dollars. They are trading other people's money. So other people's funds, creditors will lend them, while their funds are locked in 3 Arrows, showing in this 301 and 103 scenario. So is it true that 3 Arrows were locked in value? Yes and no. If you dive deeper, you do a research on 3 Arrows, you notice that they're registered in Singapore, they're also registered in British Virgin Islands, BVI, and also they state they're moving to Dubai. I don't know whether they are registered, but as of the name 3 Arrows Capital, this is the exact name we should also identify and analyze. What is 3 Arrows Capital in number system? So as you can see, there are many high-risk numbers combination. There's huge amount of repeated 81 and 18. 81 and 18 in COSMOMK number system means the highest level of change. Massive uncontrolled changes, massive ideas, creativity, massive disasters, and problems and complications to the company name and the website they're using 3 Arrows Cap. You can see there's also another numbers combination, which is the 152. 152 is the highest level of 1221, 9669, which is equivalent to high profit, high risk, high impulsive, and harsh behavior. Followed by, they do have 231 and 13 combination, 2319, and also a 301 combination, which repeated as we mentioned above, the locked wealth, value, and cash flow. Ending with 16.
1661 is the highest level of environment, area size, property. It also stands for female and emotions.
Okay, share more about 16, because if you can see there's 30116 is very interesting. If you know this case study, you'll notice that these founders, which are young traders who founded this 3 Arrows Capital, have invested and always invested in properties on their personal level using company funds. They have bought a few GCB 2+ bungalows in Singapore and also invested in properties and villas in Dubai. And 16 means huge environment, property, or area. So 316 is also equivalent to having high value and money and wealth invested into huge area, which is property. Some people may wonder, oh, it's just a name. In COSMOMK number system, we study every alphabet numbers around us. So for A equals 01, B equals 02, C equals 03, and it goes on all the way until X, Y, Z equals 24, 25, 26. If your thoughts, your habits, your mindsets, your character do not present or reflect in this name, they will not be able to use this name or operations or come out of this company name in the first place. Definitely, if you study and analyze all the numbers, specific numbers that are attracted, it will be even more accurate. That's why we will dive into certain key numbers that are used by 3AC, 3 Arrows Capital.
Stay tuned for the next episode, as COSMOMK will be analyzing the website, registration numbers, property addresses, contact numbers, and all areas of 3 Arrows Capital. COSMOMK World First Numbers Combination Analysis.
One chain of numbers, we are able to identify, segment, analyze, and derive hundreds and thousands of different meaning or attractions. Just like Singapore, with 8-digit number combinations, we have 100 million different permutations. So, in a short video, we are just highlighting and focusing on some core areas of analysis.